Hi, this is Bonnie. So in the area of personalized customization and fashion heat printing, we know a high quality heat press machine is very essential for your business. So we, Heat Press Leader, have launched this 16 by 20 inches electric digital control heat press. So it adopted advanced temperature and pressure control system, intelligent digital control interface, large work table, so it can meet your needs not only for t-shirt printing but also for other textile heat transferring. So today in this video, we will introduce the advantages of this machine and the operation introduction of it, so you can easily start your business. So let's go! 16 by 20 inches electric heat press is a high-end equipment designed for t-shirt printing and textile transfer. It adopts full digital control system, can accurately adjust the temperature, time, and pressure, whether it is heat transfer film, direct transfer, and sublimation transfer. It can ensure uniform heat distribution, make sure every transfer effect is perfect. LCD display shows temperature, pressure, and countdown in real time. Automatic timing and safety protection function to ensure the equipment is always run in best condition. The machine can effectively prevent overheating to ensure the safety of the operators. The optimized heating system can quickly reach the preset temperature in a short time, which saves energy and improves production efficiency. It is perfect for mass production and customized printing. This machine is suitable for a wide range of heat transfer needs, including but not limited to t-shirt and hoodies, aprons and handbags, canvas printing, and other soft materials such as flags and pillows. It also supports a variety of heat transfer materials like DTF, HTV, sublimation, and other special transferring such as foil transferring. Successful heat transfer requires precise control of time, pressure, and temperature. The following is the parameters for your heat transfer reference. These parameters may be adjusted according to actual material and design requirements. Please be sure to conduct trial printing and adjust the parameters first. Make sure the workstation is clean and no dust and oil on the surface of the t-shirt or other blank fabric. Select the appropriate transfer material and conduct a preliminary test to determine the best parameter settings. Use the intuitive LCD control panel to adjust the required temperature, time, and pressure. The digital control system ensures that each transfer is performed in the best condition. Place the t-shirt flag on the heating plate and accurately align the transfer pattern. Start the machine when everything is placed well. Pressing the start button and the machine automatically starts the countdown program to evenly apply heat and pressure to the garment. After the transfer is completed, the heating plate will automatically lift up to prevent overheating. After the transfer is completed, gently hold the t-shirt and carefully check the transfer effect. If necessary, adjust the parameters or make partial repress. Regularly check the electric components of this machine, such as electric power and the smart control display, and also make regular cleaning of this machine to prevent the influence of lint and dust. Okay, now it comes to our FAQ part. Let's see the questions from our customers. How to adjust the temperature and the pressure? You can very easily adjust the pressure and temperature and also time from this LCD controller. And it is also recommended that you can make a trail print for your first print, so you can make sure all the settings meet the requirement of the transfer material you used. What transfer method does the device support? Okay, this machine support DTF, HTV, sublimation, and other special transferring like foil transferring. So every method you want, you can get it from this machine. What safety protection features does the device have? This machine is equipped with automatic timing, real-time display, and the triple thermal protector protection. So these can effectively prevent the machine from overheating and keep the safety of the user at max. Choose this 16 by 20 electric digital control heat press is to choose a high quality, high performance solution that Heat Press Leader provides to t-shirt printing and textile transfers. With superior technology and outstanding performance, this machine will surely help your business move towards a new success. If you have any questions or concerns, you can directly message us. Thank you. Bye.